up, Kid Clang? Thank you all so much for coming back. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around, like and share and subscribe to this channel. Hope you enjoy the content. So today we have a really fun video, quick and easy, very short, and we're gonna make some salmon burgers and some sweet potato fries. All right, so stick around and let's jump right into this video. Guys, so here I have the salmon already deboned and I took the skin off. I added a little thyme to it. Thyme. And in this, I'm gonna put some seasoning also on the salmon. I put a little bit of fish seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, some parsley flakes, and a little bit of Italian seasoning that I'm just gonna add to the salmon here. And I'll save some for the sweet potato fries that I'm gonna because we're gonna make sweet potato fries for the sides for this dish. All right, I'm gonna add 1 egg, so I beat it, but not too much, just a little bit, just enough. You don't want it because you don't want scrambled eggs when you're making the burgers here. Also here I have some onions, green bell peppers, some scallions, tomatoes, and a little bit of heat I add. So I'm gonna just dump this all in here, and we're just gonna, combine them so the burgers will come together nicely. Alright, have that going. Give it a nice little stir. We want the burgers to be loaded. I'm also going to add half a cup of breadcrumbs to this mixture, because this is going, along with the egg, it's going to be the holding ingredient so the burgers don't fall apart. Okay, add the rest of it nice. Get it all evenly spread out. Okay, and also need some mayo. So I'm gonna get 1 tablespoon of mayo. If you need to add more along the way, you can. It's up to you and what your liking is, but usually it's 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoons. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'll just add a lot of bit more. I like mayo. Alright, so that's my little, secret ingredient that I like to add to this burger. And also, I'm gonna squeeze some lime. And usually you can zest like a lemon or a lime if you would like. That's up to you, and that's what what do you prefer, limes or you prefer lemon? All right, so it's that easy. All right, now we're gonna put the burgers in formation. I'm gonna wash my hands really quickly, and then we're gonna start making the burgers. Just like that. just gonna drop these potatoes, the sweet potatoes that I cut up into fry pieces. And we already had the oil being heated, so now it's ready, and I'm just gonna drop them right in. And then we'll add the seasoning to the fries when I take them out. Alright, so these fries are just about ready. Just took 3 minutes tops to fry. Alright, so we're gonna get them now out of the oil and drain them off and plate them. So all I'm doing here is just put in some of the seasoning that we used in the burgers.